Linerio slat panels allow for the free arrangement of space and delineation of functional zones. Thanks to this, you can separate your home office from the relaxation area or create a secluded place where you can indulge your passions. Linerio panels owe their unique properties to the material from which they are made. They are manufactured using polystyrene, which is covered with a hot stamp print. Polystyrene is a modern material that is 100% recyclable. It is lightweight, durable, water-resistant, and easy to clean. This means that Linerio can be installed in even more demanding areas, such as a hallway, work area, kitchen, or bathroom. Thanks to the material and its spatial structure, the panels help soundproof the interior and eliminate reverberation and echo in larger rooms. Linerio panels come in 3 lines, S, M, and L, which vary in the width and depth of the slats. They are available in several color shades. Before you start installing Linerio, calculate the number of panels you need. The simple calculator available at VoxPL will help. Just enter the width of the wall to get an idea how many panels you need. Please note that the panels are 265 centimeters long and have no joining system on the shorter side. When calculating on your own, you should consider the net dimension, which is 11.5 centimeters. If you decide to install with finishing trims, you will need to add their width to the width of the wall and include them in the calculation. Installation is a clean and easy process using commonly available assembly tools. Before installation, leave the panels in the room where they will be installed for 24 hours to equalize their temperature with the ambient temperature. After unpacking, it is important to check each panel for quality and read the installation instructions. The wall to which you intend to apply the slats should be straight, smooth, dry, and dust-free. Clean the wall and check its level before installation. The outer housings of socket and contacts should be dismantled and holes for lighting drilled out. Linerio panels can be installed vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. This makes it easy to match the visual effect of your interior. When decorating an interior, every detail matters, which is why the Linerio finishing trims are matched to the colors and sizes of the panels. They will allow you to both start and finish the arrangement aesthetically. In addition to its visual appeal, the advantage of Linerio panels is that the installation process is easy. The panels are installed with adhesive, and it is recommended to use Vox mounting adhesive. Apply adhesive to the panel in an I shape in the form of 2 strips. In the case of finishing trims, 1 strip will suffice. In order to use less adhesive and prevent it from overflowing, we recommend cutting off the tip of the adhesive tube. Panels should be installed from left to right and from bottom to top. Linerio panels are lightweight and very easy to work with. They can be cut with a handsaw, jigsaw, or table saw. Panels and trims should be cut from the B side, in other words, from the non-decorative side. In case of installation with finishing trims, the installation begins with measuring and appropriately cutting the left L trim. In the upper and lower part of the left trim, an appropriate height of universal U trims has to be cut. Then the left trim should be installed on the wall. In the next step, measure and install a universal U trim on the floor. When cutting the U trim, take into account the width of the left and right trims. After installing the left trim and the universal U trim, proceed to installing the panels, remembering to measure the inside distance between the lower and upper U-trim. After attaching the first panel, check the horizontal and vertical alignment and install the panel, then attach the next one. Before fastening the panel permanently, you need to make sure there is no gap between the panels and check their vertical-horizontal alignment again. The side of the wall is finished with a right R-trim. To finish the outside corner, start by installing a universal U-trim near the floor, which should be cut at a 45-degree angle. If you also want to finish the top of the wall with a U-trim, cut it in the same way and install it near the ceiling. Start installing the panels from the corner, moving to the left and right side of the wall. It is important to turn the panels 180 degrees so they join together with the shorter lock at the corner. Simply interlock the panels at a 90-degree angle, carefully join them and stick them to the wall. It is important to note that this step will not cause a pattern inconsistency and the corner finish will be aesthetically pleasing. When it comes to the inside corner, it can be done in several ways. You can use the right trim, rotate the panels and connect them with the longer lock, or maintain the installation continuity. Depending on the chosen option for doing the corner, the wall can be finished using a left L trim or a right R trim. Detailed installation instructions are available at vox.pl. Linerio panels can be placed not only on the entire wall or a fragment of it, but also create an interesting arrangement on the ceiling. When installing on a wall with a ceiling, an important step is to cut the panels at a 45-degree angle. This will help achieve a 90-degree angle at the wall-to-ceiling junction. If the ceiling length exceeds 265 centimeters, the panels can be joined together on the short side. Every detail counts when it comes to arranging a wall, and thanks to finishing trims, you can conveniently install dado paneling or install Linerio panels only in a selected part of the room. When installing dado paneling, universal U-trims, which have been selected to match the color and shape of the panels, will help. Installation of the dado paneling starts with measuring and cutting the universal U-trims. Then cut the panels to the desired height. The height of the dado paneling is up to you. Usually, it's half the height of the wall. If, in the case of dado paneling installation, there is an external corner or a straight wall on one side where the panel will be visible, the installation starts from this side. If you are renovating and you already have skirting boards, you can install Linerio panels directly on the skirting board. This will make your interior renovation fast, clean, and efficient. For the proper installation of a socket, you need a correct electrical box, or you need to install a spacer ring on an existing electrical box. It can be painted to match the panels for aesthetics. Shelves, cabinets, hangers, and decorative items can be screwed into a wall finished with Linerio. Fastenings must be done to the substrate under the panel, and the holes must be pre-drilled. Be sure that the hole is made in the slats, not the grout. You will have to wait 12 to 24 hours after installation before you hang anything on the panels.